Hello everybody, thanks for going through this video. Continuing with our endeavor to support the developer community, we at Spec India welcome you to the demonstration of our self-service BI plugin component recently launched in the Pentaho marketplace for the Pentaho community, global users and developers. This innovative and enriched plugin aims to serve as a dashboard module for business users and analysts, facilitating independent creation of reusable widgets dashboards to help them take quick and accurate business decisions. It is sure to benefit the community with its visually appealing features, dashboards, and reports. Some of the highlighting features of this plugin are its mobile friendliness and responsive design because it is web-based, bootstrap-based, filtration and widget linking feature which can link multiple pins, easily embeddable feature which can seamlessly embed the entire dashboard into your application, and multi-tenant capability. It is built with core technology platforms like Pentaho BA Community Edition, CTools, AngularJS and jQuery JavaScript. Let us now move on to the demonstration, which I am sure will give you an apparent idea about the usefulness and simplicity of this wonderful plugin. Let us create a pin board through the self-service BI plugin. In the settings, we have a bootstrap-based 12-column layout. Let us now create a layout here. We start with 3 data labels. So it will be 3, 3, 3, 3, ultimately leading to a 12-column layout. Let us fix the size as 50 as they are data labels only. You can see that the pins 1, 2, 3 and 4 are created with the 3, 3, 3, 3 sizes. Let us create 2 more with 6, 6 and 1 more with 12 for the analysis. And here is the created layout. Now let us do some pin labeling. We take all the pins one by one. Pin number 1, we will be labeling it as total daily sales. You have the option of changing the color of each of the pin to make it look more colorful and attractive. Then comes pin number 2, which is named as the average basket value. Pin number 3 is the average basket size. Again, you can keep changing the colors here. Pin number 4 is the total core product sales. Pin number 5 is the top 10 products by revenue. Similarly, pin number 6 is top 10 products by quantity. And then comes the pin number 7, which is the product category analysis. So the layout is now ready. Now we need to put the data source accordingly. First of all, for the data source, we have multiple types like the chart library, CCC, psychoanalytics and data tables. Let us choose to put the labels. Currently, the first 4 are labels, so let us select the data source of the first 4. Selecting the total sales, and also selecting the unit of measure as euro. Similarly, selecting labels for the average basket value, average basket size, and now for the total core product sales. Again, the unit of measure here is euro. Now you select some CCC chart value. Usually we have the bar option. Select top 10 products by price. And in a similar fashion, select by quantity. Here we can apply different colors also. Now it is time for some high level graph. Instead of a normal bar one, let us put a tree map also. We are working with multiple options in the charting library and are planning to add more charts in the further releases. This is the product category analysis. And here the tree map is ready. Let us now save this. The pin board is successfully saved, and here is the static dashboard. We can now add filters over and above this. Let us add a filter with the store as a parameter. Select how would you like to see this filter. By default, there are some values, and we can select some SQL query for the store selector and add the filter. Here is the filter result. Now we need to bind this filter to multiple widgets also. You can see the CDA parameters and filter parameters. We just need to press the bind button and apply, and do it for multiple pins and add whatever you like to. Right now we are doing this for labels only. Similarly, we can bind with other parameters also. We can change the filter source to see the result. Here is the result. We can take a glance of our dashboard in the preview mode also. Once you press preview, here is the final outcome. We thank you for visiting this link and look forward to have a mutually beneficial association with you. You can visit our website to know more about our enterprise offerings. You can also write to us at lead@spec-india.com and request for a free POC to test drive our services. Thank you and have a great day.